Okay guys, lagay natin ng sauce sa taas. Hi guys, welcome to That's My Style. This is Chef Alan. Ngayon, gonna make beef liver steak. Okay, guys, enjoy. This is my style. Watch, subscribe, and share. Guys, after this show, don't forget to leave down your comment down below. Okay guys, hold on and watch. Hugasan na ito. It's already washed, cut, then twice. From kwan ito, ang style, may maamoy kasi itong liver eh. Gamey flavor. Sabay pag linuto mo siya, mushy. Yung mushy siya. No? Kaya yung iba, gumagawa nito, pina-fried muna, sabay hinahalo yung kwan, yung ingredients. Yung iba naman, marinate nila, pero it produce too much water pag linuto mo. Kaya ang technique nito, bago mo siya lutuin, para matanggal yung amoy at saka buo siya pag linuto mo. Okay? I got vinegar, white vinegar. I-marinate natin siya ng vinegar. Hugasan natin siya. Mga 5 minutes. Para hindi naman siya maging firm siya. Solid. Pero hindi siya matigas. At saka hindi siya, pag linuto mo, hindi yung masabaw. At saka hindi yung kulay ng sabaw. Dami yung parang slimy. No? Sabay wala siyang amoy. Okay? Lagyan mo ng half cup or 1/4 cup or pag marami, 1 cup. So, ibabad natin sandali. Yan. Kasi pag hindi mo ginanito, pag luto mo, lumilit yung karne, nagsishrink. So, babad natin konti lang. Okay. Few minutes lang. Ayan, guys, tignan nyo. Umiiba yung texture ng meat. Yan, naging solid siya. No, all the blood come out. Yan. Sabay yung gamey flavor niya, nawawala. Pag linuto mo ito, matamis. Kasi nandun na yung lasa ng vinegar. Okay, give him like 5 minutes in there. Kuhain natin siya pabilog, round. Skin, round, half moon. Bigger. Like 4 or 5. And then bell pepper. Okay guys, habang inaantay natin yung marination niya, yung babad. No? Gagawa ko ng salad. Ilang salad. Sarap kasi pag may salad to eh. Ito Israeli cucumber, maliliit siya. Luto, lagyan natin ng salad kasi no, sweet and sour. Sweet, sabay may sour naman yung lasa ng steak. So, lagyan natin para balance. Okay guys, ito na yung ingredients. May sugar ako, soy sauce, at saka mag-save ako kunti ng vinegar dito. Black pepper, bay leaves, may onion ako, red pepper, kunting lemon mamaya, squeeze, garlic, scallion. Yung scallion, yung hiwa nyo dito ng vegetable kahit anong size. Walang problema. Okay? So, 5 minutes na. Ready na yung kuha natin. Yung beef liver. Guys, tingnan nyo guys. Oh. Naging firm na siya. Yan. Babad nyo lang sa vinegar. Okay? Look at. Yan. Hindi ko nahugasan to. Yan. Tiyan mo yung blood nawawala. Nandito na sa vinegar. So, mamaya mag-save tayo kunti. Look at guys. Yan. Okay. Slice natin. Sali lang. So, punasan natin, tap natin, tanggalin natin yung excess ng vinegar para hindi masyado liquid. Kasi itong liver, pag nagluluto ka dito, lumalabas yung juice, yung liquid niya. Okay? Yan. Okay. So, we put black pepper. Bago natin huwain, black pepper siya. Okay. Black pepper. Yan. Tap natin. Sabay hiwa. Okay? Yan. Yung hiwa nyo, huwag ganito. Dito, laban sa grain yung hiwa. Yan. Nalalaki siya konti. Be sure na mainit siya. Like 2 minutes. Okay guys, malapit na. Mainit. Hindi ko siya i-marinate ng garlic, onion, soy sauce, sugar. Mamaya na. Susundan nyo guys. Just check this one guys, my style. Okay guys, please enjoy. Subscribe, like, and share my vlog. Okay guys? Okay. Hindi pa masyadong mainit. To be hot. Okay. Okay guys, yun na. Mabilis lang ito. Don't overcook the liver or else you got turn to rubber. Look at guys, not even 1 minute. Lumalabas yung blood kagad. Yung ingredients natin. Salt. Dito ang salt. Soy sauce. Okay, every time you cook, alalay lang yung ingredients natin. Ha? Lagyan natin ng bay leaves. Itong dalawa. Start from bay leaves. Then start followed by salt. Kunting salt. Salt lang kasi may vinegar ka na, malakas na yung acid. Like half teaspoon salt. Yan. Ilang. Yan, nakikita nyo guys, hindi siya nagsishrink yung meat. Yan. Yan. Tama. Walang mushy. No, hindi siya lugaw. What? That's the reason why I marinate on white vinegar. Look at guys. Hindi siya nagsishrink. Kasi pag walang vinegar, hindi mo nababad. Pag luto mo, nagsishrink, lumiliit, nadideform yung meat. Sabay dry. So juicy pa siya. Okay guys, we're gonna put sugar. Yung sugar, tamis. Yan. Yung sugar. Look at guys, there's no liquid. This oil and a little liquid from vinegar. Yeah. Then vinegar. No. Okay, we're gonna put the vegetable now. Onion, pepper, and a squeeze of lemon. May acid. Then the vinegar from marinate. I save a little. Put a teaspoon of vinegar. Yan. Okay guys, yan na. Reduce lang natin yung liquid. Yan na. Okay. Nagiglaze na yung vinegar, soy sauce, onions. Okay, yun na guys, oh. Ganda, oh. Okay, check. Add the liquid, guys. Yan. Simple lang, guys. Mabilis lang ito. Hindi na kailangan mag-marinate ka pa. Marinate mo lahat. As long as you start with white vinegar, you're ready to go. Now, look at, guys. What? This is a beef liver steak. So to finish this one, we'll just add the scallion, any chop. Okay. Yan, I put liver steak on the rice. Yan natin. Cut, guys. Take it out, guys. Take it out. On top. Sarap nito. Dito sa gilid. Okay, this is the salad. Yan. So, lagyan natin yung salad. Ating salad dito. Sabay, I love the Israeli cucumber. Yes. Ang kuha nito is lemon lang. Lemon, olive oil. Okay ka na. Kasi malakas ang flavor ng liver steak. Kunting lemon. And a touch of olive oil. Guys, that's my liver steak. And we'll put the sauce.